TNT Newsroom. We're here on location in Orlando, Florida, and we are at CTIA 2011. On our program today is Paul Carter. He is the President and CEO of GWS, or Global Wireless Solutions. Paul, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
So, just wanted to ask, how's the show going for you? How are things?
The show's great. I think it's an exciting show. I think it's going to be a busy show for everybody, but for us, we've been very busy. We're here testing the different networks, both inside the building and outside the building in our test van. So it seems to be a very good buzz of the show.
So you have a test van that's going around the convention center, and exactly what does it do? So
in the test vehicle, we have we're testing the voice networks, the voice wireless networks. We can test up to 8 networks at a time, and we're also testing the packet data networks. So the vehicle makes calls on the different wireless networks and both the voice and data networks, and drives around and records statistics of wireless networks, and also collects all engineering data about what's going on, the communication between the phones and the networks.
Fantastic. So basically just analyzing, making sure that the call, checking out how many calls are being dropped, the quality of the calls.
Correct. So the idea is to assess the network performance by simulating, if you like, a customer experience of making calls and receiving calls. Yes.
And this allows carriers to have a better idea of how well their networks are performing in different areas.
Correct. So again, typically what we're collecting data across the United States in around about 1 million data collection miles a year. We have a fleet of 60 vehicles driving around the country, making these calls and recording the performance across the country.
Now you also have a knapsack, which is more portable, obviously. How does the knapsack fit into the equation of helping carriers determine how well their networks are performing?
Clearly these days we all have smartphones, and we want to be able to use those smartphones whether in a building or outside the building, and so we have to come up with a testing solution to be able to test these networks, and the backpack is our solution. So what we have in our backpack is we can test up to 4 different wireless networks on the voice side and 4 on the data side at a given time. So again, we walk around the building, we have a tablet PC that controls the test equipment, and we make points across on the floor plan in the tablet PC to show where we're at in the building. And again, we can assess the performance within the building of the networks.
Now, what happens with all this data that you've been collecting?
With different things. One aspect of it is to come up with just key performance indicators, whether it be an accessibility, retainability, or reliability. And so that's the high-level aspects of it. We also put all of our data into a Drive database, and so from that Drive database we can do root cause analysis, understand why calls are dropping, why they're blocking, and we can report that back to our customer. And at the same time, we can take a bigger step back at looking across the data and truly understand why certain aspects are occurring on the network, and what the network operator could do to change these aspects if they so desire.
So in terms of trends that you're seeing in the market, what sorts of things can you tell us?
Clearly, smartphone use is dominating the marketplace right now, and with smartphone becomes the importance of doing voice and data at the same time, and so in fact data throughput claims and data throughput use has been driving the market over the last 5 or so years. So from our perspective, we're seeing throughputs increasing. Back in 2005, looking at data across New York, we were seeing throughputs averaging 50 kilobits per second, which is basically dial-up speeds. Last year, we were seeing throughputs of averaging 1 meg across the market. So that's 20 times throughput in a 5-year time frame. This year, we're seeing throughputs now averaging perhaps 2 to 6 megabits per second. So the use of data is critical, and it's the future of the wireless network.
So in terms of the future for your company and where you see things going, talk to us just a little bit about what you see next.
Basically, we're continuing to expand our service offering internationally. It's these same services that we're providing domestically have a need internationally to expand. The in-building solution, the reason we're testing that here is, again, going forward, we need to expand our in-building solutions, whether they be testing a convention center, testing a train, or a stadium or an airport. And the need for really truly categorizing the performance in buildings is great. And so that's what we're going. That's what we're going in.
And you think that next year or sometime soon there may be some carriers using your company's results to promote that their network is better for wireless video or for wireless voice?
Yes. We've started to test the video quality networks, video quality of the networks recently, and the idea being to try and understand the streaming video that you might see from Netflix or from YouTube. There's also a recent standard for voice quality testing called Polka that's come out, and I expect that will allow wireless operators to start making claims related to their wireless voice quality. So yes, they'll continue to use our data for that.
Very exciting. Thanks for being on the program today. It was great.
Thanks very much.